A company located in the Western Pacific Rim continuously supplies advanced equipments for global engineering construction. XCMG is the world's fifth largest maker of construction equipment, possessing the world's top research and development level, lean manufacturing, and global marketing net. XCMG products have been exported to over 169 countries and regions, with the annual revenue of $1.6 billion. Several types of machines rank the first worldwide. XCMG is the biggest size and most competitive group, with complete range of products in China. XC Series horizontal directional drilling rig is a kind of advanced trenchless equipment developed by XCMG, laying pipe and cable without excavation, and widely applied in the pipe laying construction of water supply, electricity, telecommunications, natural gas, coal gas, and oil. XCMG XZ Series horizontal directional drilling rig includes more than 20 models, ranging from 120 kilonewtons to 6,600 kilonewtons to meet the requirements of municipal and river crossing construction. XC200 horizontal directional drilling rig. Using flexible and comfortable single-handle hydraulic pilot control system, rack and pinion transmission to ensure the stability and reliability of the power head. Cummins turbocharged engine meets EU3 emission standards. Strictly designed according to CE requirements of EU to make the machine work safely. XC320D horizontal directional drilling rig. Cummins 153 kilowatt engine provides strong power. Patented floating technology for power head and vise protect drill pipe threads and prolong service life. Double speed control system of power unit rotating, thrusting, and pulling is equipped to improve efficiency. XC450 horizontal directional drilling rig. Applying the control technology of load sensing and closed system to make the machine be more energy efficient. Large degree of drilling frame structure can enlarge efficiently the operation scope of drill rig. Using mutual locking technology for working, walking, and drill frame adjustment to avoid dangers by misoperation. Walking is controlled by wired remote to ensure safe transition. XCMG horizontal directional drilling rig owns first-class research and developing team. Every component is precisely designed and tested simulated. XCMG horizontal directional drilling rig owns the most advanced assembly line. One set of HDD is produced every 2 hours, and 600 machines are delivered worldwide per year. Six Sigma management is applied to control the producing process to make it be precise. Therefore, every single machine reaches top international standard. Every machine is to be strictly and sufficiently tested to ensure we deliver you the most reliable product. XCMG horizontal directional drilling rig is well experienced in exhibitions both at home and abroad. XZ5000 was immediately sold to Malaysia on the spot of Bauma, China in Shanghai. XCMG horizontal directional drilling rig always ranks the first in China and is exported to Russia, Brazil, Turkey, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, New Zealand, etc. In countries and regions, XCMG horizontal directional drilling rigs make classic in trenchless construction time after time. Every moment, Hundreds of XCMG horizontal directional drilling rigs keep working, creating value for customers. We are here. XCMG for your success.